This is a user guide video for the Filibuster. The Filibuster was designed initially for council chambers or for where the end client or the user was going to use it rather than a technician. A technician would be used initially to set the presets up on the front panel here. It can be used quickly as a stopwatch. If you hit a button, the time will increment quite quickly just using these buttons, and you can select as to what colour you want the display to end up being, as you can see here. To reset it, you just hit the button that says reset. To program it, we have to put this into programming mode, but please note that by each of the keys there is a letter. You have A, B, C and D on these, and that's a sequence we will program these in. I'm going to program this preset here. To do so, you hold the reset in and that preset key and you wait about 5 or 10 seconds till the display pops up like that. Release it, and this preset is glowing slightly brighter than the others to say this is the key we're going to be working on. It's showing 0 time because in this mode it looks like it's going to be counting up. To count down, we select position B, and here we are. We can use this one and we can change from a time on there or not a time. The time will change depending on what version you got. It's that way that we actually check to see which version of the software that is out there. This one has the latest version on, hence 11 minutes. In order to change time, we use these two buttons here. The preset button, labelled C now, will increment time. If we press and hold the reset button, it acts like a shift control and we can decrement time. If we press and hold both buttons together, we can get into a fast move. There we are, we're down at 0. Now, as this is lit, it's working from countdown and we need to tell it what time to start from. I'm going to keep this down to seconds just for the video sake point of view. So I'm going to put in green at 10 seconds. So 10 seconds on the display, I'm going to hit the green button labelled up D. As you can see, the green button pops up in brightness to indicate it's been stored into green. If I now decrement to 5 seconds and hit the amber key pops up bright, and you can see on the display has also popped up to 5. If I now decrement it again down to 0 and hit the red key stores it and disappears and puts the machine back into reset mode. But now if I now select this time, our 10 seconds have now been programmed into the Filibuster and we can use that time again. Once we've got to the end of the time, we can hit the reset and that cancels all the time.